Hola a todos, welcome back to the channel. I'm just out today having a wee wander around Ciudad Quesada. I don't often come here, so thought we'll get out, have a wander about, grab a coffee, maybe visit the bee butchers, which is great in here, and see what we can find. So no plan for this one, just a wander and see how we get on. So always plenty of traffic out here, but plenty of crossings, so plenty of bars and restaurants here. It's always a nice place just to come if you fancy a wee afternoon out. Good choice, and I'd imagine it'd be quite busy at night, but never having been at night, I couldn't tell you if that's the case or not. So I'd have to rely on you. Have you been to Ciudad Quesada? I think they just call it Quesada now. Let me know, and we'll see what else we can find. I hope you enjoy this one.
Alright.
So we've just stopped at, what's it called, this? El Trastero. Yeah, it looks like El Trastero. Let me just see. It's the old Don Carlos restaurant. You can see there. So it's supposed to be really nice inside, so I'm just going to wander and have a wee look. Yeah, so very, very oldie, worldy in here. Very dark. I hope it comes out in the camera okay. Lovely wee place. Perdón? Gracias. Yeah, so nice at the back here as well. Yeah, smashing wee place. Tables are well dressed as well, so I suppose we can probably get some decent food in here as well, but we're just having a coffee. A wee bit of a tapas selection if we fancy that. Little bars have always got fantastic tapas. Might get some of those later, depending on where we are. Yeah, so that's just a quick look inside the old Don Carlos. Pretty cool, eh? And plenty of seating outside, so that's where we are. Sitting here and have that coffee.
Guy, there's some heart, and the guy with the shorts is up.
So there we go. Nice wee coffee in the sunshine there. Not bad for late January. You might have heard me mention that in a few of the other videos we've had an extended spell of bad weather, lots of storm fronts coming in, and the Spanish news is reporting it as having been the coldest winter for 31 years. And I get that, you know, we've been here 3 winters now, and it's definitely much colder than it has ever been. Just so cold at night, that's the thing. Once the sun goes down, it just gets absolutely freezing. And if you haven't seen my video about dealing with winter in Spain and the houses, have a look at that one as well. So yeah, just wandering around Ciudad Quesada here. Going to get into the little butchers around here, which is the chop shop. Going to get down to the chop shop and see what they've got. We got some great kebabs out of here before, and good quality mince, steak mince. So we'll see what the story is around here. This car park's always funny. People drive in the wrong way and try and drive out the wrong way. It's always a bit chaotic, so that's why I've parked out the street. Nice little villas over there. Only a couple of them, mind you, then very traditional style house next door. So here we are, the chop shop. Going to get into the chop shop and buy some bits and bobs in here. I wonder if they'll mind me filming. I'll see, maybe they won't mind. Chop shop, great stuff in here. Yeah, there they are, the lamb and mint koftas. They're brilliant, burgers are nice. Some mince. Yes, best steak mince. Right, just going to order some stuff. So, chop shop done. Bought some nice little lamb kofta kebabs. Some nice lamb and mint burgers. And some steak mince. So, not bad, and just under €16 for the 600 grams of mince. Two kofta kebabs, which are big, and 2 burgers. So, if you're in the area and you're looking for a good butcher's, drop along to the chop shop. They've got a great choice of stuff in there. Now we'll just dump this in the car and have another wee wander. So just on the way back to the car, just looking at the other wee shops that's in this car park. So that's obviously little estate agents, barbers, an e-cig shop, and another estate agent there as well. Let's just see what else is here. Is it a little charity shop, it looks like? Yep, so they got the Valley Garden Herbalist and Massage, and a little Cats and Dogs Aid Association. And this looks like a little pizza restaurant. So it's quite a compact area, but there's quite a lot squeezed in. I'm trying to go round in a loop to pick up the main street back as we go up towards the car. So yeah, so ASA Insurance is here, a little rent-a-car place. We've got this NGS Properties just behind me here. I keep forgetting I've now got the 3D camera, so I can film everything in one go. I don't have to be spinning all around like I did before. What have we got here? We have cards, gifts, partyware, printing, British passports and more. And another little hairdressers. Strange looking shop now. It looks like it does all sorts of stuff. Oh, someone just grinding the gears in their car there. Just down the bottom, finish off. Yeah, I don't know what that is. It's all one. It's like a bar, obviously. Tom Yum. Tom Yum, little bar. Is that your local? Do you go in there? And then there's not much along that way, so I'm not going to bother. You've got Quick Fit Quesada here that does tyres, servicing, exhausts, all these kind of things. A bit like your Fast Fits back in the UK. So if you're in the area and you're looking for a quick repair to your car, that's probably the place to go. One of these RNS sports salon bars that are popping up everywhere. Another estate agent, little laundrette here, and then the Perfect Pizza bar, restaurant and takeaway. I'm just going to finish off down the bottom and then we'll have a wander. In fact, I'll go across the road because you can see it better. So this one is a big restaurant on the right hand side, Oriental Sushi. In fact, I've just made a boob there. I should have done the classic shot that everyone includes. If you're coming to Quesada, you must, and it's imperative, sorry about the wind, you must get a shot of the arches. Every video ever shot in Quesada has the arches. God, the wind is really picking up now. The big supermarket there, KFC on the corner, just behind me. I'm going to get blown off my feet here. Petrol station, wondering what the fuel is. In this neck of the woods, we're just about 1.30 a litre at the minute for petrol, back where we are. So 1.32, so very similar prices for fuel here. Diesel's 1.27. Diesel's always cheaper in Spain. So just going back up the other side, we've got the medical centre, a big Japanese restaurant there, just over to my right. Rosa Tours, they do some cracking tours actually, sort of day trips and overnighters and maybe 2 or 3 days. Rosa Tours are good to have a look at. Obviously Santander Bank. Then you've got a ferreteria. These are like an ironmonger's. They do bolts, screws, hinges, nuts. They'll do kettles, toasters, ladders, tools, all sorts of stuff, anything you could want. Get to your local ferreteria. What else have we got here? Another property shop. There's a lot of property shops in this part of the world. Cocktails, Lawson's, fine wine and tapas. Cocktails, alright. Pool store across the road there as well. Sabadell Bank. I should have crossed the road at the crossing there. I'm going to get myself knocked down. I'll just jump across here, behind this car. So just to get across the road, let you see what's going on the other side here, it's always easier. So you've got a money exchange shop, hair and beauty in the corner there. What's that say? Chanades Bar and Kitchen. Is it Chanades? Is that what it says? Another estate agent, Oscar's Bar, Cafe, Restaurant. I can imagine this place during the summer being absolutely jammed. If you come here and let me know what it's like. The fixed price estate agents sell your property for €999. Plus IVA, of course, 5 real estate. The Paprika Hungarian Taverna, is that new? I don't remember that being here last time we were here. Maybe it's not. Another property shop, in fact 2 property shops, then a pharmacy here on the corner. And that takes us back up to where we stopped and had a coffee. So we might just have a wander back there towards the car and finish the video up there. So yeah, just walking up, I'm on the shady side of the street, which is never good, just because the car's on this side. A little car wash here on the right hand side that we all get sprayed with when we first get out of the car. One of these chino shops, Hong Kong shops, sells everything, I mean everything. And then on the other side of the road, we've got Voraz Restaurant, music, Day and Night, which is another restaurant with the Italian touch. The one that we were in, obviously I can't forget Mr. Singh's. Mr. Singh's there, just in the centre. And then a few more bars and restaurants all the way up the top of the street there. So it's a good place for choice for restaurants. There is a kind of little centre here, more property shops. I wonder what their unique selling points are. Why would you go to one particular estate agent or another here? Because they're all vying for the same business, I would have thought. Anyway, is there property prices? Does it say anything? Yeah, so there we go. A resale villa, Ciudad Quesada, €849,000. That one's 695. Are they getting cheaper as we go along? What's the cheapest? What's the cheapest? I know how you like a good property price. So there's a little townhouse in Ciudad Quesada. 2 beds, 1 bath, 100 metre square. It's got a pool, 174,950. And then a little semi-detached in Ciudad Quesada, 200 grand. So property ranges, cheapest here is 174 that I can see. And the dearest I think was that 849,000, so massive range of properties here as well. Another big centre on the right there, little commercial centre with bars and restaurants in it. Tobacco shop, Chef Zan restaurant, and imagine that's probably a Chinese. So good choice. and a little bakery just up round the left. I haven't seen it. So that pretty much covers this main part of Ciudad Quesada. I don't know how busy it gets, but I'd imagine it gets really busy in the summer, as I said. It's often featured on a place in the sun. We just come for a day out to go to the butchers and stuff, but it is a bit breezy today, so I apologise if the sound has been a bit distorted. Hopefully it'll be okay. Anyway, as usual, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Look out for more random videos popping up about life in Spain, whether you're coming here to live or just to come on holiday. I'll do my best to try and give you as much information as I possibly can, so I hope you liked it. Anyway, that's Ciudad Quesada. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you all on the next video. Hasta luego!